What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Ms.Laurent. As you can see, your girl is wearing like a new hairstyle. This is not a wig, but this is the crochet, the same crochet that I had in my previous video. Yes. And guys, if you really want the tea for this hairstyle, you know what you're gonna do? You're gonna click your notification bell that you can know whenever I'm gonna post a new video. You're gonna subscribe to this channel, and guys, you're gonna give this video a big thumbs up. So y'all ready? Y'all ready for the tea? Okay, so basically, guys, I had like a crochet that I already bought, like, you know, it was already twisted and everything. So I had the hairstyle maybe for 3 weeks, and then my hair got like, you know, really messy and stuff, and then I was like, I want to remove it, but I don't want to do my hair again right now. So the idea that came up on my mind was like to untwist the crochet that I had. So I'm gonna leave y'all to watch the video how I did it last night. So hopefully, guys, you guys gonna enjoy the video, and you guys can also learn how I did my hair like that. So guys, don't forget to hit your notification bell, like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So bye, enjoy this video. Okay, y'all, for me to start, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that my hair is completely moisturized. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my spray bottle just to spray all over my roots. For me, when I apply the oil, that the moisture can really be completely sealed, and like that it will be much easier for me to work on my crochet. So guys, the oil that I'm gonna use is a mix of coconut oil and some Haitian castor oil. I like to use this mix on my hair when I have crochet, when I have braids, when I have my wigs on, or some extension. Because y'all know, you know, the castor oil sometimes can give like a strong smell. So this is why I like using it when I have braids and crochet or wigs. Y'all, as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that all of my scalp, you know, I can put like much oil as possible, because sometimes when you have, you know, crochet like that or braids, sometimes they have tendency to, you know, just get all of the oil, and the oil is not really gonna stay over your scalp. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I put the oil and massage my scalp, that everything can get into my roots. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in 4 big portions that I can work with my crochet, and I can untwist it easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those big 4 portions, you know, together, that I can start working on the back side. I finished putting all of my hairs all together, so now I'm gonna go one by one
to untwist it, but before I start, I'm gonna go and use this blowout cream that I got from Mermaid. Um, that's a product that I can use on my real hair if I want to use heat on my hair, but basically I don't use heat really on my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it on the crochet hair because I wanted the crochet hair to feel a lot smoother so that it could be much easier for me to untwist it. Finished with the first portion, and as you can see, y'all, you can already see like the volume that I'm having. So this is why I'm so excited about this. I know this hairstyle is gonna be so cute. So let's get going. We have so much to do. I'm gonna get every single portion that comes from the bag for y'all because it was gonna take a lot of time and the video was gonna be super long. So I decided to cut it and show you guys how I'm gonna do the front part. Okay, you already know the vibe, so I have to go really fast and I cannot show y'all every single detail, but y'all, I'm already almost done. It's only the top one that I have to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish it and show y'all the final look. But one thing guys, it's like when I'm untwisting like the crochet here, sometimes some of them are clogged or tangled, so I have to use my scissors and cut them out just to make sure that, you know, I can still have like the curly hair but not tangle hair.
Finally guys, almost, you know, done, but basically I'm done with it. So guys, I'm just gonna wait tomorrow to style it, to cut some part out, you know, to put some moisture, some shiny, make it look nice, and see how it's gonna turn out. And for the one that's gonna ask about the hair, I'm just gonna post down below the link that y'all can get it.
So bye. Thank you for watching.